Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and the topic is related to analog circuits. Consider the common collector amplifier shown in the circuit. The bias circuitry ensures that the transistor operates in forward active region, but it has been omitted for simplicity. Let IC be the collector current, VBE be the base emitter voltage, VT thermal voltage, and also GM and R0 are small signal transconductance and output resistance of the transistor, respectively. Which one of the following conditions ensures a nearly constant small signal voltage gain for a wide range of values of Re? Okay, what following conditions are going to be ensuring a constant small signal voltage gain? Okay, so for this one, we have to replace the transistor with R parameter equivalent. So we are doing it in this way. So the transistor is replaced with T model. T model is nothing but where it is going to be indicated with current source, and it is followed with something as Re. This is what emitter, and it is base, and it is collector. So this current can be written as GMVBE, GMVBE, or it can be written as beta IB. VBE is nothing but voltage across base to emitter. This is what the transistor equivalent. So if you are going only this way, at that time this circle is nothing but transistor symbol. The symbol is replaced with its equivalent circuit. So this is with the three terminals, base, emitter and collector. This is collector and it is base and it is emitter. V input is nothing but voltage from base to ground. So that here it is. Now we will include all other parameters connected in the circuit. Emitter is connected with Re resistor which is connected to ground. So from this one we can write a resistor which is connected to ground, which is nothing but Re, and V input is nothing but like this. Base is connected with V input. V input is nothing but from this point to ground. So this is V input plus minus. Okay, so from this one we are going to obtain the condition V out is going to be taken from emitter V0. So can we write like this? Okay, voltage gain is nothing but AV. AV is nothing but V0 divided by Vi. V0 is nothing but voltage across Re. Assume that one, this is a current GMVBE is flowing and the same current is flowing through this one. Assume GMVBE is very large compared to IB, so that IE itself, the current flowing through this Re and small re capital Re is also equal to the current flowing through both the resistors is also same as GMVBE. Assume that one. Since the base current we are neglecting, so that same collector current that is also flows in emitter. So that GMVBE is the current flowing through small re and capital Re, and V0 is nothing but the voltage drop across Re. For that one we can write it as GM times of VBE into Re, you can write, divided by Vi. Vi from this KVL you can write it as Vi is equal to VBE plus V0. VBE plus V0. V0 is nothing but again AV can be replaced as GM into Re into VBE divided by VBE plus V0 is nothing but again it is GM Re times of VBE. VBE if you take common at the time you will get like this. So the condition you are going to get, the equation you will get first like this: GMRE divided by 1 plus GMRE. So if GMRE is very large compared to 1, then it will be approximately equal to 1. So voltage gain is going to be constant. For common collector we know that one ideal voltage gain is unity, and that unity voltage gain you will get if GMRE is very large compared to 1. GMRE is very large compared to 1, and GMRE, from this condition we can write it as GM into Re has to be very very large. Gm can be written as IC by Vt. IC by Vt should be greater than 1. IC by Vt into Re. Okay, from that one, IC times of Re should be very very large compared to Vt. So Gm is nothing but IC by Vt. Re we are writing same as it is. So IC into Re has to be very very large compared to V2. This is a condition which makes the voltage gain is equal to 1. So the condition for this question is B. The right option for this one is IC into Re must be far greater than Vt. Thank you.